Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to program a Star Choice universal remote using a code. So if you have an RCA or a Philips universal remote, check my other videos. So we will be working today only with three buttons: TV, mute, enter. If you have a DVD, it's gonna be DVD, mute, enter. Okay, let's go. So if your TV is on or off, it does not make any difference. So my TV right now is off. So I'm gonna press TV once, press and release, press the two buttons together until you see the lights flashing on your remote, then release. Now enter the code for your brand, for your DVD or TV. You will find it in the user manual. My remote came with these, so I found the code here. Or if you don't have the user manual, you can go online and search with the model name of your universal remote. You will find the code online. So now let's put a wrong code just to show you an example. I'm gonna put anything. So my TV did not move. It's still off because I put the wrong code. Now I'm gonna try it with the right code. So I just wanna press again TV, press enter and mute together until the lights illuminate on your remote, then release. Now I'm gonna enter the right code for my Samsung TV. As you can see, my TV is on. So I need to make sure the TV is off. I'm gonna continue the steps. Just press mute once. If your TV is off, then your remote is programmed. My TV now is off, and press enter to lock the code, to save. Just press once, you're done. So let me try it. Let's turn it on. Check channels. So that's it guys, that's how it works. Please subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions, and have a great day.